दुनिया के अहम ममालिक के रहनुमाओं ने गजा अमन माहिदे पर दस्तखत कर दिए। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ भी गजा अमन माहिदे पर दस्तखत की तकरीब में शरीक हुए। गजा अमन माहिदे पर अमरीका, मिस्र, कतर और तुर्की ने दस्तखत किए। तकरीब से खिताब में अमरीकी सदर ने कहा, यह पूरी दुनिया के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है। सदर ट्रंप ने कहा, माहिदे से मशरिक़ वस्ता में अमन कायम होगा। दोस्त ममालिक के ताउन से अमन माहिदा मुमकिन हुआ।
This is a monumental day. This is a monumental moment in the history of the world beyond the Middle East. We've all agreed that supporting Gaza must be done to lift up the people themselves, but we don't want to fund anything having to do with bloodshed, hatred, or terror, as has happened in the past. And for the same reason, we're also agreed that Gaza's reconstruction requires that it be demilitarized and that a new, honest civilian police force must be allowed to create a safe condition for the people in Gaza. As I said earlier, I intend to be a partner in securing a better future. We're going to be working, you're going to be working with the United States, and we're going to make sure that the Middle East is going to be a safe and secure place. It's a very important place in the world. But the momentous breakthrough that we're here to celebrate tonight is more than the end of the war in Gaza. It's with God's help, it'll be the new beginning for an entire beautiful Middle East. From this moment forward, we can build a region that's strong and stable and prosperous and united in rejecting the path of terror once and for all. We want to get rid of the terror and get on to other things. There are many other things in life that are so good. In one sense, it's so horrible that it could have taken place, but in another sense, it's so beautiful to see a new and beautiful day is rising, and now the rebuilding begins. The rebuilding is maybe going to be the easiest part. I think we've done a lot of the hardest part because the rest comes together. We all know how to rebuild, and we know how to build better than anybody in the world.
वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने कहा है, पाकिस्तान ने सदर ट्रंप को अमन नोबेल इनाम के लिए नामजद किया। अमरीकी सदर ट्रंप सबसे ज़्यादा अमन नोबेल इनाम के मुस्तहिक हैं। अमरीकी सदर ने सिर्फ अमन ही नहीं, लाखों लोगों की जिंदगियां बचाएं।
Well, I would say today is one of the greatest days in contemporary history because peace has been achieved after untiring efforts led by President Trump, who is genuinely a man of peace, who has relentlessly and untiringly worked throughout these months, day in and day out, to make this world a place to live with peace and prosperity. I would say that Pakistan had nominated President Donald Trump for Nobel Peace Prize for his outstanding, extraordinary contributions to first stop war between India and Pakistan and then achieve ceasefire along with his very wonderful team. And today, again, I would like to nominate this great president for Nobel Peace Prize because I genuinely feel that he is the most genuine and most wonderful candidate for Peace Prize because he has brought not only peace in South Asia, saved millions of people, their lives. And today, here in Sharm el-Sheikh, achieving peace in Gaza is saving millions of lives in the Middle East. Mr. President, I would like to salute you for your exemplary leadership, visionary leadership, and I think that you are the man this world needed most at this point in time. World would always remember you as a man who did everything, went out of the way to stop 7 and today 8 wars.
गजा में अमन के लिए मिस्र के शहर शर्म अल शेख में मुआहदे पर दस्तखत के मौके पर सदर ट्रंप ने कहा, ख्वाहिश है भारत और पाकिस्तान बेहतरीन हमसाए बनकर रहें। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने मुस्बत रद्द अमल का इजहार करते हुए ये भी कहा कि हमने भारत के 7 तैयारे गिराए थे।
India is a great country with a very good friend of mine at the top, and he's just done a fantastic job. And I think that Pakistan and India are going to live very nicely together, right? That's not a very. They are. And they're two great, I'd say, leaders, great leaders as far as I'm concerned.
अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने फील्ड मार्शल आसिम मुनीर को अपना पसंदीदा फील्ड मार्शल करार दे दिया। शर्म अल शेख में मीडिया से बातचीत करते हुए कहा, वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान शहबाज शरीफ यहाँ मौजूद हैं, फील्ड मार्शल आसिम मुनीर यहाँ मौजूद नहीं। उसके बाद उन्होंने पीछे मुड़कर वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ से कहा वो फील्ड मार्शल आसिम मुनीर तक उनका सलाम पहुँचा दें।
Prime Minister Sharif of Pakistan, and also I have to say my favorite field marshal from Pakistan, who's not here, but the Prime Minister is here, and you're going to give his regards. Where are you? There you go. Thank you very much. You want to say what you said to me the other day? Anita? Come. Would you like to say what you said the other day? I think it was so nice. Please.